How to watch Marvel movies? There are two ways. First one is based off release date of every movie. I highly recommend this for people who just want to start watching Marvel movies. There are 4 phases. It's simple to watch, but a little bit hard to understand. Second order is really awesome if you wanna rewatch the entire MCU. It is called the chronological order. Simply, it means it is based off the story timeline of the MCU. It starts with Captain America and ends with Hawkeye. It's really awesome if you wanna understand every detail. Feel free to take a screenshot.